every single day. Over 10 million Americans are living with an active criminal case just hanging over their heads. That's 10 million. And here's the thing that most attorneys miss. Those people aren't calmly browsing Google looking for a lawyer. They're actually panicking. They're angry. They're just scared. And if your marketing doesn't speak to that state of mind, you're invisible to them. Today, we're diving into something that most marketing agencies will never tell you. The real battle between law enforcement and the people accused of crimes isn't just happening in the courtrooms and on the streets. It's happening in the mind of your next client. And understanding that battle is the key to reaching them before your competition does. Here's the reality. Law enforcement has evolved massively. Think about just this past decade. Body cameras, AI powered surveillance, license plate readers, social media monitoring. The tools just keep getting more and more sophisticated. And the people on the other side of this equation, they're adapting too. They're more aware of their rights, more skeptical of the system, and more resourceful when it comes to finding help. Now, think about this from a marketing perspective. Your potential client just got pulled over and searched, and now they're charged. Maybe it's a DUI, maybe it's a drug charge, maybe it's something they didn't even do. In that moment, they feel the entire system is just stacked against them. They're in survival mode. And what are most law firms doing? Running the same generic ads. Experienced attorney, free consultation, call now. It's like whispering in a hurricane. It doesn't land because you're not speaking to the emotional reality of someone who feels like they're in the fight of their life. Let me give you some real world parallel. Think about high speed chases. Why do they happen? Because someone is just absolutely desperate. They're not thinking rationally, they're reacting. Your potential client is in a similar headspace. They're not going to carefully compare 5 law firms on a spreadsheet. They're going to grab the first lifeline that actually feels like it understands their situation. Or think about how detectives solve cases. It's not brute force, it's understanding behavior, patterns, and psychology. The best investigators get inside the mind of the person they're pursuing. That's exactly what your marketing needs to do. Get inside the mind of the person who just got arrested at 2 in the morning and is sitting in a holding cell just scrolling their phone. And then look at tactical operations, SWAT teams, undercover work. These succeed because of precision timing. Your digital marketing should work the same way. The right message on the right platform at the exact moment someone needs you. That's not luck, that's strategy. Now, here's the pivotal moment I want you to really sit with. Imagine this scenario. A man gets charged with a felony he says he didn't commit. The evidence looks bad. The prosecutor is aggressive. His entire family is terrified. He's out on bail and he has 48 hours to find an attorney. He picks up his phone and he starts his search. And in that moment, the exact moment, he sees 2 results. One says, top rated criminal defense firm, 25 years experience. I'll fight for you. The other says, facing felony charges, the system is built to convict you. We're built to fight back. Which one do you think he calls? Yeah, the second one every single time. Because the second one understands the war he's in. It mirrors his fear and meets it with strength. That's not just good copywriting, it's empathy translated into strategy. Ads have to go deeper into the psychology of the people that you serve. If you're a criminal defense attorney, don't just run ads. Study the psychology of the accused. Map the decision-making journey from the moment of the arrest to the moment they pick up the phone. Make sure when they're searching for a lifeline, your firm is the one that feels like it was built for them. The showdown between law enforcement and the accused is never going to end. The tactics will keep evolving and the stakes will keep rising, and the people caught in the middle will keep searching for someone who actually gets it, understands where they are and what they need. And if your marketing doesn't reflect that reality, if it doesn't speak to the fear, the urgency, and the fight, you're leaving cases on the table. Hey, drop a comment below. What's the most intense law enforcement story you've come across that changed how you think about defending your clients? And if you're a criminal defense attorney who's ready to stop blending in and start dominating your market, Hit that subscribe button and head over to legaltamer.com, and we'll show you exactly how to turn the people who need you most into the clients who find you and trust you first.